How to add social media usernames in Grindr. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can add social media usernames in your Grindr profile. So let's start. First of all, open the app and log into your account. After you log into your Grindr account, you will come to the browse section like this. Now, in order to add social media usernames to your profile, tap on your profile photo that you can see on the top left. After that, tap on the edit profile option on the left. As you enter edit profile, you will get the option to change various details. As you scroll below to the bottom of this page, you will find the social section under which you will find various social media options such as Instagram, Spotify, Twitter and Facebook. In order to add a username of a particular social media, tap on the empty field of that particular social media. Then after, simply enter your social media username or handle. Such as in case of Instagram, you can simply enter your Instagram username. Furthermore, in case of Twitter, you can enter your Twitter handle, and similar is with Facebook and Spotify. After you enter all the correct details, make sure to save the changes and go back. As you do that, all of your social media usernames will be successfully added in your Grindr profile. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.